the world's most inaccessible church. It is located in Ethiopia, known as Abuna Yamata Gu Church. Also regarded as the most dangerous church in the world, it stands 2,580 meters above sea level. Almost entirely built into a mountain, it has been carved from the inside out, earning it the nickname Rock-Hewn Church. According to various sources, it was constructed in the 5th century AD, making it over 500 years old. To reach this church, visitors must traverse numerous narrow cliff paths and then climb nearly 300 meters of sheer rock face by hand. The rock surface is so smooth that shoes have to be removed for a successful ascent. This entire journey is undertaken with almost no safety measures. Just when you think the hardest part is over upon reaching the top, you're greatly mistaken. Next, you face an even greater challenge, crossing a 250-meter-long natural stone bridge, flanked by hundreds of meters deep cliffs, where one misstep could be fatal. Upon reaching the summit, you enter the church through a cave, where you will find well-preserved, spectacular paintings from the 15th century. Nearly every wall, dome, and pillar is adorned with paintings themed around the 9 saints and the 12 apostles.